When she was young, she said she'd rather die than live alone. She prayed that one day soon she'd hold a baby of her own. Through years of tears and pain, she held on through the rain, always there to always care until her bird had flown. Early as the daybreak, she'll awake to greet another day, waiting for the promises that never ever come her way, anticipating how it seems to live a life with hopes and dreams. Before she goes to bed, she'll kneel to pray and say, "Lonely bird, you fly alone, nowhere now to call your home. There's nowhere left to run. Your family, feathered friends have found a new place in the sun." Sunday morning market, you won't even hear a baby cry. Hope will tell who know her well, she never ever comes to buy. Round and round she'll walk all day until the crowds have gone their way. Walking home she cries alone and whispers with a sigh, "Lonely bird, you fly alone, nowhere now to call your home. There's nowhere left to run. Your family, feathered friends have found a new place in the sun." She never knew love. What can you be thinking of? She never knew love. It's all that she's dreaming of. There's nowhere left to run. Your family, feathered friends have found a new place in the sun. Lonely bird, she never knew love. Fly alone. What can you be thinking of? Nowhere now. She never knew love. To call your home. It's all that she's dreaming of. There's nowhere left to run. Your family, feathered friends have found a new place in the sun. No wife or mother she was ever meant to be. No way, because there was no baby.